If you don't like confusing tech setups but still want to mirror your Android to your PC, then SCRCPY is your new best friend. Let's see how easy it is. First, make sure your Android device runs version 5.0 or higher, and grab a USB cable. On your phone, go to Settings, tap About Phone, and tap Build number 7 times. Congrats, you're a developer. Now, turn on USB debugging in Developer Options. Some phones, like Xiaomi, need a special security setting too, so watch for that. Next, download SCRCPY from the official GitHub page. Unzip the file somewhere easy to find, like your desktop. No extra software needed. Now plug your phone into your PC. Accept the USB debugging prompt. Check Always Allow if you want. On Windows, just double-click scrcp.exe. On Mac or Linux, open Terminal and type SCRCPY. Boom, your Android appears on your computer screen, ready to control. Want to go wireless? Quick tip. Start wired, then switch to wireless in a few commands. Try out shortcuts like Ctrl+F for full screen and Ctrl+R to record. Easy, right?